This is the homework for 112 and 113. In problem 112, examine the tile pattern at right. On your paper, you'll sketch figures 4 and 5. So here's figure 1, 2, 3. So here I've sketched figures 4 and 5. And you can see I created a pattern. There's many ways you can figure out the pattern, but what I did is I saw 1 in the corner. That's always a constant. And you can see that the vertical piece and the horizontal piece, you have 1 and 1. Next you have 2 and 2. So you have 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on. In 112b, how does the pattern grow? And explain how you know. So you can see that the pattern is growing by 2 tiles for each figure. Here you have a total of 3. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, so you have 3, 5, 6, 7, so 7. So you have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So the pattern is growing by 2 tiles for each figure. For 112c, how many tiles will there be in figure 100? So for figure 1, there's 1, 1, and 1. Figure 2, you have that initial, and so you have 2 and 2. And if you notice, the figure numbers match the vertical and the horizontal, and then you have the constant. So figure 4 has 4 and 4 plus 1. Figure 5 has 5 plus 5 plus 1. So figure 100 would have 100 plus 100 plus 1. So the pattern is you take the figure number, multiply it by 2, 2 times 100, and then add 1. So figure 100 would have 201 tiles. For 113, you need to copy the axes below onto your paper, add an appropriate scale, and then place and label a point on the graph for each of the products listed below. For Dog Eat Dog has a supreme hot dog that weighs 80 grams and has 40 grams of fat. 40 grams of fat. B, Hot Doggies, has a diet hot dog that weighs 50 grams and has only 9 grams of fat. So here's 10, so this is approximately 9 grams of fat. Dogalicious has a cheap hot dog that weighs 40 grams and has 30 grams of fat.